Dito na kami sa car. So, nandito kami ngayon sa market. Homestead Market. Homestead Market. Maganda po yung store nila. More on organic and they're trying their best to make their own produce. So, ito pala ba yung pinamili ni Hubby. Ito yung paborito niya. Pretzel. So, we're here now in Archer, Domain, Austin, Texas. So, we're gonna stay for a night. So, when you came in, you're gonna see on the left yung bathroom. Malaki yung bathroom nila. Ayan. You turn on the light. So, ito yung bathroom nila, guys. Ayan. May sink sila dyan. Hey guys! Good morning! So, welcome to my closet. Pasensya na guys, medyo super kalat dito. So, today, I am getting ready kasi pupunta kami sa Austin again. So, this is our second time in Austin with my husband. We're going to Domain, Austin, Texas. So, I'm just gonna get ready, and mamaya-maya ay pupunta na tayo magbabiyahe na po tayo nga mamaya-maya. So, I'm just wearing t-shirt from my hubby. Thank you, hubby. And then, I'm wearing a biking short. Yan lang. And then, siguro magsushoes ako ng puti at saka socks. So, get ready lang po ako guys, ha? Hey guys! So, I'm wearing hat now because it's so hot outside. Nandito na kami sa car. So, nandito kami ngayon sa market. Homestead Market. Ayan, Homestead Market. Maganda po yung store nila. More on organic and they're trying their best to make their own produce. Malapit lang to sa aming bahay. So, a lot of people come over here. They have their own cafe, they have their own cheese and stores. But you have to drive all the way over there so that you can see it. And then they have their own barbecue. May stores din sila dito, guys. Ayun. So, nandito kami. Yung husband ko pumunta doon sa loob kasi gustong bumili ng pretzels. Paborito kasi niya yun. So, at saka yung snacks para on the way to Austin. Ayan na siya guys. pala ba yung pinamili ni Hubby. Ito yung paborito niya. Pretzel. At saka ko. Ito yung paborito niya. Ayan. So, tigdadalawa lang siya. So, yun lang guys. At tsaka may water kami. And we're on the way to Austin. And say hi! We're here now in Archer Domain, Austin, Texas. We're gonna stay for a night. It's the hotel. Archer Hotel. Ay! Yan guys, so dyan kayo mag-park sa Archer Hotel. So, we're here now in the Archer Hotel. So, mati-check-in na si Hubby, guys. While me, nasa waiting area. Ito na lounge area. Yan. May magandang chandelier sila. It's nice. Dito na kami sa aming room, guys. Ito na yung room natin. For a night. Oh! Ang ganda, oh. May bathtub pa, oh. Ang laki. Hi! So, ito na yung room namin. You gonna be my back?
Oh, you're doing it there?
So, hey guys. So, magro-room tour na ako, guys. Ito yung door. So, when you came in, you're gonna see on the left yung bathroom. Malaki yung bathroom nila. Ayan. Let me turn on the light. So, ito yung bathroom nila, guys. Ayan. May sink sila dyan. One sink, yung mga towels. Hi! Yan, may glasses sila dito. Then, they have all the thing you need here. Toilet. A big mirror right here. And this is the shower. Ang ganda na ng shower nila. Yan. May shower curtain sila dyan. Then, you have a bathtub right here. Big bathtub. And then, may mirror sila dito. Then, may desk sila. Then, TV. And this is our bed. Nice. Yan, may sitting area sila, and then cabinets here. And let's see what's in here. Yes. And then my balcony din. Let's see. Here's the outside. Ito yung view namin sa labas. Welcome to the main Austin, Texas. Ito lang guys. Then may sitting area sila sa labas. Then you can turn this on during winter. May heating ano sila dito. Ayan guys. Let's go back in. Yun na po guys yung room tour natin. Maya-maya ay maybe we're gonna tour you around. Ay, medyo dark dito. We're gonna go walk around the domain area, shopping area. Tsaka may mga ano sila dito, restaurants, good restaurants. So, yun guys. Maybe later mag-lunch kami.